Hi everyone, welcome to Lavanya Chemistry classes. Today topic is 17 named hydrated salts. 17 named hydrated salts. What do you mean hydration? The addition of water molecule from the original molecule. That is called as hydration. What do you mean by hydrated salt? A salt means the mixture of cation and anion is called salt. But you mean by hydrated salts are the salt contain anion and cation and also contains water molecules. Some amount of water molecules that is called as hydrated salts. The common name of hydrated salt is blue vitriol. The formula of blue vitriol is CuSO4 5H2O. And the next one, the common name of salt, hydrated salt is borax. The formula of borax is Na2B4O7 10H2O. The borax formula is Na2B4O7 10H2O. And butter of tin. The common name is butter of tin and the formula of butter of tin is SnCl4 and 5H2O. And next one is carnallite. The formula of carnallite is KCl, MgCl2 and 6H2O. KCl, MgCl2, 6H2O. This is formula of carnallite. And next one is chrome alum. Chrome alum. Hydrated salt is chrome alum. The formula of hydrated salt chrome alum is K2SO4 Cr2SO4 thrice and 24H2O. And next one is hydrated salt Epsom salt. MgSO4 7H2O. MgSO4 7H2O is called as Epsom salt. And next hydrated salt is ferric alum. Ferric alum. NH4 twice SO4 and Fe2 SO4 thrice and 24H2O. This is ferric alum. Hydrated salt of ferric alum. And next hydrated salt is Glaber's salt. Glaber's salt. The formula of Glaber's salt is Na2SO4 10H2O. Na2SO4 10H2O. Sodium sulfate decahydrate is called as Glaber's salt. And next one is vitriol. What is vitriol? What do you mean vitriol? The vitriol is a SO4. Blue vitriol, green vitriol, white vitriol. The oil of vitriol is called as H2SO4. So the green vitriol is FeSO4 because ferrous is a green color. Green color salt. So it is called as green vitriol. The formula of green vitriol is FeSO4 7H2O. And next hydrated salt is gypsum. Gypsum. Calcium sulfate hydrate. Gypsum. That is calcium sulfate hemi or salt. So the formula of gypsum is CaSO4 and 2H2O. CaSO4 2H2O. It is a formula of gypsum. And next one is hypo. The hypo formula is Na2S2O3 5H2O. Na2S2O3 5H2O. And next salt is microcosmic salt. Microcosmic salt. This is the formula of microcosmic salt is NaNH4 HPO4 and 4H2O. NaNH4 HPO4 and 4H2O. It is called as microcosmic salt of hydrated salt. And the next salt is Morse salt. The formula of Morse salt is FeSO4 NH4 twice SO4 and 6H2O. It is called as more salt of hydrated salt. And next one is plaster of Paris. Plaster of Paris. The salt is hydrated salt is CaSO4 of H2O and also called as calcium sulfate hemi or semi-hydrate. And next one is potash alum. The potash alum is hydrated salt is K2SO4 and Al2SO4 thrice 24H2O. It is a potash alum. And next one is washing soda. It is a hydrated salt. The formula of washing soda is Na2CO3 10H2O. Na2CO3 10H2O. It is called as washing soda. Sodium carbonate tetrahydrate. And next one is white vitriol. A white vitriol is a hydrated salt. The formula of white vitriol is ZnSO4 7H2O. ZnSO4 7H2O. These are the named 17 named hydrated salt. So please subscribe friends and share your friends.